Listen carefully, brother. When a woman wants you badly, she'll never say it outright. She'll hide it behind subtle gestures, quiet glances, and moments that feel like accidents, but aren't. Desire, when it comes from a woman, isn't loud. It's quiet, but powerful. And if you know what to look for, you'll see it written in every move she makes. When she wants you, she starts to mirror your energy. If you lean back, she leans in. If you joke, she laughs a little too much. Her body starts to tune into yours, subconsciously. That's nature taking over. She can't control it, even if she tries to act like she's not interested. You'll notice her eyes tell you everything her words don't. A woman who's drawn to you looks longer than necessary. It's not just a glance. It's a gaze that lingers for half a second too long. You'll catch her watching you when she thinks you're not looking. And when your eyes meet, she'll quickly look away. Not because she's disinterested, but because her body betrayed her desire. She'll also start finding reasons to be around you. Maybe she asks for your help with something small. Maybe she starts showing up where you usually are. These aren't coincidences. They're strategies. A woman doesn't chase with words. She chases with presence. She'll position herself close enough that you can feel her energy, but far enough that you have to make the move. And listen, her tone changes too. Around you, her voice softens, slows down, becomes more melodic. She'll play with her hair, touch her neck, or adjust her clothes. These aren't random behaviors. They're instinctive signals of attraction, little flashes of vulnerability that say, I want you to notice me. When she wants you badly, she'll also start testing your masculinity. She might tease you, challenge you, or question your confidence. She's not being difficult. She's measuring your strength, because deep down, she wants to feel that you can handle her energy, that you won't crumble when she pushes your buttons. A woman desires a man who stands firm, not one who seeks approval. And here's the real giveaway. She invests her emotions. She remembers things you said weeks ago, asks how your day was, gets slightly jealous when other women are around. That's her heart trying to protect its own interest. Because when a woman wants you badly, she's not just physically drawn to you, she's emotionally tethered. But don't mistake her desire for permission. A real man doesn't rush. He leads with control. When she wants you, the power shifts to you. Your calmness becomes magnetic. Your silence becomes intoxicating. And your confidence becomes the thing she can't resist. So pay attention. If her eyes linger, her tone softens, and her presence keeps finding its way to you. You don't have to chase her. You just have to hold your ground and let her desire unfold naturally. Because the truth is, when a woman truly wants you badly, you'll feel it long before she ever says a word.